What's up, tech fans? GadInsider here, and massive iPhone leaks just dropped. The iPhone 17 and 19 are set to shake things up with bold camera and display changes by 2026. Stick around to see how Apple's rewriting the game. Say goodbye to the same old iPhone look. Leaks reveal a redesigned camera and a futuristic display that could rival Android flagships like the Vivo X200 Ultra. Let's break it down. Apple's iPhones are known for premium builds and killer cameras, but 2025's iPhone 17 is rumored to ditch the square camera island for a sleek, horizontal bar-type design. According to popular Weibo leaker DCS, this could pack a massive 48MP ultra-wide lens and, get this, a 200MP main camera. That 200MP sensor is the kind of tech you'd expect from high-end Androids like the Vivo X200 Ultra or the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. It's rare, it's expensive, and it could make the iPhone 17 a photography beast, rivaling periscope zoom cameras. But wait, 2026 is where things get wild. Leaks suggest the iPhone 18 or 19 could hide Face ID sensors under the display, leaving just a single punch-hole camera for a near bezel-less look. This full-screen vibe might debut as early as the iPhone 17 Pro, planned for September 2025. These changes show that Apple's not playing it safe. A horizontal camera bar and a 200MP sensor in 2025, plus an under-display Face ID by 2026. It's a bold move to keep up with the Android giants. Fans are already buzzing about this design. So, are you hyped for the iPhone 17's new camera or the full-screen iPhone 19? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you're loving these iPhone leaks, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for the latest tech scoops.